I'm Valora, Washington, and we're here at the World Forum. But even though we're all the way in China, we're meeting friends from back at home in the Bronx. I'd like to introduce you to Jitinder, who has done amazing work with the Child Development Associate Credential in the Bronx. Tell me a little bit about what you've done.
So you're like a blast from my past. I am so excited to meet you. Well, currently I work at Bronx Community College. I'm the executive director of the Early Childhood Center. But I would say years ago when you started the CDA program, I have trained over 2,000 students to do the CDA, and a lot of them went and we also provided them with the support where they did their portfolios and developed and got their credentials. And some of them went off and got their associates. In fact, I have a couple of stories where somebody did their CDA at my center and is now currently the director at a program in Florida because, CDA
yes,
is...
amazing.
Yeah, you can. And I have I have so many stories, and I'm so excited that I saw you over here because you're making a difference, and it matters.
But
and
you're making the difference.
Yeah, but you know what? You came in and you took the reins and you took it to a different level, and it
so
really
much.
matters. So keep on doing what you're doing, but we got to get back in the Bronx
And you keep doing what you're doing. Okay, there you go.